my channel. Now we are going to get started. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 10.0, which is exceptional. Review category 1. Facilities like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, one type of room is available that can be online. The location of the property is found in guests who could enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 12 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are many rules and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to go to please select provided in the description. If you have any problem with this property, then you can drop a comment and we will complete. If you have shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again.